Hello world, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Good morning to all of you. So let's welcome the mighty, the supreme energy provider to our entire solar system and Mother Earth, the mighty Sun. Look at the image over there forming inside the water body. By saying that, I'm remembering my school days when our teacher used to, make us learn that sun is a big ball of fire. And here, by seeing the sun in the early morning, it increases my desire to learn more about Mother Nature and about its creature. So on this early morning sunny day, I will, make your day a very wonderful and amazing by having a wonderful tour with Mother Nature's hidden treasures. So we are now approaching towards today's journey. See this flora near the bank of this water body and the chirping sound of those birds. They are also enjoying the early morning time with mighty sun. And you can also hear the voices of Pavo and this giant tree, the lifeline of this Sun-drenched, the mighty Kejri. Let's explore more. The moment we are approaching to the more clear area, the image inside the water body is much clearer. You can also listen the chirping voice of the birds. Look at the birds which are on the other side of the bank. They are very wonderfully designed, and actually the birds over here are singing a melancholy song. The mighty sun is now rising up high in the sky. Look over there, the heron is flying, crossing that water body. And some peoples have made this kind of path over here to cross. Let's reach to the top and explore some more things. Oh, from the top, the mighty sun is peeping between these trees. A wonderful view from here also. So many a time I have seen small creatures in these areas. See how Mother Earth has designed her bending ratio. Yes, it's more than 180 degrees turning, and again further some new stems are emerging out. So it's a beauty of Mother Nature, and only she can do such kind of, miracles, because she has a tremendous power. So let's have a tour for another things. And the sky is very clear, crystal clear sky. With blue hues. And I am approximately 80 feet high, just above the ground. You can see that water body is very much in low profile area. And let's have a tour over here of the surface. Fantastic view of early morning time. So actually when we move to this deserty place, we find just these muram like sand and soil, and heap of those sandy soil accumulated. So it's a early morning view of a fantastic place of this mighty Thar desert. You will find some bushes, and they have sustained by having only small amount of water, but too much greenery you will not be able to see over here. And the entire land you will see with small pebbles, and at few places you will find few greeneries, but not at every place. So it's a surface, and there we have seen the water body, which is a oasis in this desert. So ladies and gentlemen, like every day, today also we have some constraint of time. We will meet again tomorrow. Meanwhile, thank you everyone. Thank you very much for your wonderful love, affection you all are giving to my channel. And thanks Mother Nature, thanks mighty Sun, and thank you Almighty. Thanks a lot.